What is the worst enemy of equipment and machinery with metal surfaces? It's damn corrosion, of course. Many products have tried to fight it, but corrosion has always been victorious, at least until now. Enter a new protagonist to the scene. Grafy, the graphene paint that protects metal surfaces from corrosion like no other in the world. After years of research and experiments, Marchetti Tech has finally succeeded in creating a unique product that can resist salt spray tests for up to 2,500 hours. The technology behind graphene maximizes the exceptional performance of the graphene by integrating it into a high-quality solvent and water-based paint that provides unprecedented protection. It's also a sustainable product. It respects the environment and improves quality of life by extending the lifespan of structures and machinery and by reducing landfill waste. Grafy is ideal for any kind of product or construction, from boats to cars, from eyeglass frames to the most diverse of surfaces in contact with salt water. Rid yourself of that recurring nightmare causing you stress and frustration and costing you so much money. A new coating revolution is taking place. Join Grafy now. Click here for more information.